Today's tutorial, how to add tables to DOCX in C#. How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to create and add a styled table to a DOCX document using IronWord in C#. This is a useful skill for dynamically generating documents. So first, ensure that you have the IronWord NuGet package installed in your project. And let's go ahead and get started. So first, we initialize a Word document object, and this will save our document container where we will add the table. Next, we create a table with 5 rows and 3 columns using the table class, and this sets up the basic structure of our table. We then configure the table's border style. We create a border style object and set its properties, including border color, border value, and border size. This defines a thick border with a specific color. To apply the border style, we create a table borders object and set the top, right, bottom, and left borders to our previously defined border style. This ensures that all sides of the table have the same border style. We then apply styling to the table by setting a zebra color pattern using the zebra color property. And this alternates the row colors between white and light gray, improving readability. We then populate the table with data. The first row is filled with headers, number, first name, and last name. Subsequent rows are populated using a loop where we add the row, number, and placeholders for first and last names. After populating the table, we add it to the document using the add table method of the Word document object, and this integrates the table into our DOCX file. Then we save the document using the save method, specifying the file name document.docx, and this generates the DOCX file using our style table. So let's go ahead and run the code to create the document. And there you go. The script's execution is completed. So let's open up the document.docx to see the table with the applied styles and data. And here you go. You can clearly see the zebra pattern and thick border showcasing the potential of IronWord library. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials for Iron software. To get started with IronWord, please sign up for the trial on the site and continue to download and install the package. Experience the power of this software firsthand. Go ahead, click the link below in the description. Check it out for yourself.